at the New Garden Flying Field Flight School. Check it out. You never know. You might get bitten by the aviation bug too and decide, hey, I want to fly. Here we go. Easy to maintain and reasonably inexpensive to own. The Cherokee that you saw, the little low-winger, well, that's been around since the dawn of time, too. I think that came to be right the day after the Wright brothers learned to fly. There's a gazillion of them out there as well. And 172. I think, might not be 172, but I think that the 182 is still in production today. And she has just gifted John and I with her culinary delight. Thank you so much, Teresa, for the airshow cookies. We love them. There we go. There's the 172. That's being flown by Ian Moak. And he's going by in what appears to be screwy speed. Here's the Cherokee 140. Notice the straight wing. It was called the Hershey Bar Wing. Very, very docile airplane. Easy to fly, very stable. Being flown by Julian Thomas. Now, right behind him, this should be the red and white 150. This is Eric Sabatina. He's got a band club, too. Go, Eric! Alright, I heard that. I love it when the pilots have a band club. It's really great to see. And last but not least, in the position of tail end Charlie, which is what you call the last person in the formation flight. This is Tyler Glaccum in the white 150. I hope I have that name right. Tyler Glaccum. There we go. Here's tail end Charlie in the Cessna 150.
So, what's the difference between high wing and low wing airplanes? Does it make any difference?
Well, other than the wing on the high wing side, the low wing is low. The difference is huge too.
It's mostly purely personal preference.
You'll see some other airplanes coming out of the ramp now. We're going to have a couple different flybys. First, we call it the Allbirds, but it's really primary training aircraft. The Aronca is in civilian colors here, but it was flown in World War II known as the L3. There were Aronca Kilocraft L2s, Piper L4s, and 6 and L5. the L-Spitzer liaison, which is what they were supposed to be designed to use for. However, they fulfilled all kinds of missions, from medical evacuation to getting people in and out of very short grassy airports, widely used throughout World War II, and afterwards, the L-birds, when you have the American L-3 here with us today. Now the biplane, and we have then the advanced trainers coming out. We're in a couple of Fairchild and a Boeing, and we'll talk more about those as we go. doing really well. Bumpy air out there, and we'll get all in this way.
And Tyler is out there, he's about a quarter mile out. In just a few moments, he will be landing here. Winds are a bit variable today. Airbus reporting winds at 8 knots out of 220. Again, our runway here for your landing run is 240. But if you're wondering what the number stands for, that's degrees on the compass. All right, here we go. Tail end Charlie, coming in for a landing. He's getting bumped around. This is a very light airplane. 150. Typically weigh in at around 800 pounds empty. Look at that. Oh. They make it look so easy. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause for Ian Moak, Julian Thomas, Sabatina, Tyler Glaccum. When you guys are flying field